Hi guys, good afternoon from Europe, good morning, good evening, whatever you are. Piotr here is Light Forex Global YouTube channel. US cash market update right here, right now. Before we start risk warning as usual, please bear in mind trading on margin carries a high level of risk, may not be suitable for all investors. You can sustain a loss of some or initial investment, so please do not invest money you cannot afford to lose. Seek education, gain experience before risking real money. However, past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Alright guys. It's a Wednesday, September 9th, 2020. 5 minutes left towards the US cash open. The question is, with what we have currently on the market, especially when it comes to the dollar, is it midweek reversal or something different? That's what we are going to try to discover. In the meantime, guys, with the next 35 minutes, we are going to get the Bank of Canada rate decision. And with that being said, I strongly encourage you to visit archive section to check the video I uploaded 3 hours ago, where I went through the few Canadian dollar pairs ahead of the Bank of Canada. So here we are going to focus on the dollar overall in the stocks market, because we are going to monitor first 5-minute trading range when it comes to the Nasdaq, and we are going to check the majors when it comes to the dollar. All right, so where we are, guys, we were discussing 1770, 1760 when it comes to euro dollar. That's where the liquidity is. I've been thinking that we might see the stop hunt previous week. I've been thinking that maybe yesterday, but finally we've seen that today, and looks what we got. Strong monster reversal for now, and especially when it comes to the bottom of that channel, if we are going to get the daily close above that channel, that could provide buying opportunity towards 120.40, 121.50. Well, the thing is that we are approaching option expiration and London fix. That move could be related only through that two events. Now let's have a look. Let's put some lines. That's the daily open, because right here, right now, the daily open should provide buying opportunity. Weekly open as a supply. All right, so let's switch lower. Oops, sorry. What we have here. Okay, we are good to go. I would say maybe here as well. Okay, let's switch lower to the 1 hour chart. Look, monster move. All right, that's the thing number one. Before we will continue with euro dollar, let's for a second, before we will monitor first 5-minute trading range, for a second let's have a look what we have when it comes to the Nasdaq, for example. Right, if you remember, we drew the possible scenarios, and looks like overnight Nasdaq hit huge monster possible demand zone. Right, the whole zone over here, that's what we hit. I would love to see retest of that levels during the cash market to try to buy something. Hence, I don't know if we are going to make that retest. So the things looks like trying to turn around, meaning that this midweek reversal strategy could work this time. Well, that's the early when it comes to the euro dollar. So the easiest possible approach, latest weakness, daily open, that's my buying opportunity close to 1775, 1770. That's what I'm going to watch when it comes to the euro dollar. My stop is going to be 1 or 2 pips below the low. What's going to be my target? First, it's going to be the weekly open. For the second, I'm going to keep that open. That's how I see euro dollar ahead of the US cash open. Actually, US cash open we have right here, right now. So let's place few lines at the very beginning. Okay. One five, cool. That's the low for now. That's the high for now. And of course that's the open for now. Cool, that's what we have. Let's have a look what we are going to get. Similar situation we have with the pound, but here it's a little bit different story, because yesterday we got the close, daily close below 130. Of course, we've seen move much lower. We retest levels close to or even below 129, but since then we have this nice reversal going on. When it comes to the cable, still I like to buy euro dollar, but when it comes to the cable, we have to switch back to the daily chart and we have to discuss what we already did, basically based on the left side of the chart. This latest weakness, this huge supply been broken yesterday. So max what I see for now is retest of the weekly open, so meaning that retest of this highs within this latest weakness, right? Within this latest weakness, so that could be the max test, creating for some of you something close to head and shoulders. That would open 2650 as a first possible target when it comes to the pound. So no change in view here. Good that we have some kind of the reversal, meaning that for now I'm watching to sell the rallies when it comes to the cable. Well, with that being said, if I'm looking to buy euro dollar and sell cable, meaning that I'm gonna be active also on that market. Euro pound. All right, cool. Yesterday huge break, right? So if that was latest weakness, right, that being tested yesterday, so for now we have this zone, so I'm looking to buy closer to 1925 19 level when it comes to the euro pound, looking for a pullback and higher levels where towards 91.40, so retest of today's high, and then 93.50 as a second target when it comes to the euro pound. So we have the majors, so let's have a look how the things are going when it comes to the Nasdaq. Looks like maybe there is a little bit of the chance we might retest this overnight low. That would be really great, especially if we would take out the low, right? So put more pressure, right? Oh yeah, we are falling, let's sell. Then the big guys will counter that move, and probably they are going to move higher. Especially that's something we discussed with the possibility of make the move to the downside based on the yesterday, for example, first 5-minute trading range. So as you can see, the last yellow, that would be triple of the yesterday trading range here, and we were very close overnight, right? So I'm watching very carefully. Let's have a look what we have when it comes to this range where we are. I think we are well above 50. We are, yeah, 52. Probably we are going to expand. Yes, that's what we did. So now we have to wait and see. So if you are a buyer, right? So basically based on the trading plan we created on Monday, if I'm not mistaken, I'm looking to buy the whole zone over here below 11,000 for the move back towards 11,800, 12,000. Then I'm going to look to fade that with the possible retest and making new low. That's for now. The rest we are going to discuss if we are going to follow through the plan. All right, guys. Euro dollar looking to buy the dip and looking for fade for a few pips from the intraday perspective when it comes to the weekly open. Cable looking to sell the rallies and looking to buy the deeper pullback on the Nasdaq as well as deeper pullback on the euro pound. Guys, that's my trading plan for the New York session. Don't be trapped. Work with your exposure and stay tuned. See you around. Thank you very much. Take care and goodbye.